Moving a $26 million bridge isn't just big. It's carefully choreographed. In Detroit, crews rolled the new 2nd Avenue span across I-94 using self-propelled modular transporters, easing thousands of tons into place like a slow, mechanical ballet. The tide arch was built nearby, lifted, then set overnight to limit closures, turning weeks of disruption into one dramatic move. Hydraulic systems kept everything level while spotters checked clearances and escorts guided every axle. It's engineering logistics at work: plan, pre-build, lift, roll, set, pave, reopen. Precise and patient, it shows how massive infrastructure can move smoothly when design, teamwork, and timing come together. Why pay for bricks when you can stamp this pattern into fresh concrete? You get the same realistic look for about 70% less. It's a smart way to save money without sacrificing style. This modular system provides a smart way to manage flooding by quietly controlling stormwater beneath the ground. Each 2-meter section connects easily, allowing large amounts of water to be stored underground within minutes. Designed for efficiency, it replaces bulky gravel pits and long trenches with compact chambers that use up to 95% of their internal volume for water storage. Rigafill modules, for example, are lightweight, durable, and camera-accessible for inspection and maintenance. Together, they form an invisible reserve that captures heavy rainfall and helps protect streets, gardens, and basements when storms hit. This dome home keeps you comfortable year-round. Built with natural earth insulation, it uses the soil's steady temperature to stay warm in winter and cool in summer. A durable resin layer repels water, letting rain slide off while the inside stays dry. The result is a bright, peaceful space that feels grounded and efficient, ideal for simple living or a quiet weekend retreat. It's also strong and quiet, with curved walls that handle wind well and lower energy use. Ever tried painting walls with a 6-meter roller? It changes everything. Instead of juggling ladders and small rollers, you cover large areas in one smooth pass. A small team moves from room to room fast, keeping clean edges and a steady pace. It's like mowing a lawn, smooth, satisfying, and surprisingly quick. With that kind of reach, a few people can finish what a full crew would normally take twice as long to do. Built from recycled parts, this homemade setup lays bitumen smoothly over gravel roads. The spread is even, the edges stay clean, and the surface holds up well after rain and traffic. It's even outperformed expensive commercial machines we've used. For practical, reliable roadwork on a budget, this simple setup gets the job done day after day. Here's an easy, budget-friendly way to turn an old pallet into a refreshing outdoor shower. Clean it, sand down rough spots, and seal the wood. Attach a simple pipe and shower head, hook up a garden hose, and secure the pallet to a fence or wall. Add stones for drainage and a hook for towels. It's practical, eco-friendly, and looks great. Perfect for rinsing off after gardening or summer fun. A worker uses a cement mixer to pour concrete over a house constructed from stacked tires in a desert landscape. And here is a woman applying thick plaster to a brick structure.